Lesivumelwano sale nyuvesi yaseswatini kanye ne-Youth Enterprise Development Fund sisayiniwe ke namhla lapho khona ke sekutabane kusebentisana lokuhle. Lokusayina ke kwalesivumelwano kuhlanganiswe ke nekuthulwa ngalokusemthethweni netimfundiso the-Youth Enterprise Revolving Fund. Indvuna yetemidlalo emasiko netindzabate bamfula basha umnumzane Harris Bulunga akhuluma ke kulomsebenzi uthitheke lesivumelwano lesi sikhomba ke kutinikela kwenyuvesi yasekwaluseni ekulekeleleni ke hulumende kulwane kuswelakala kwayo ke imisebenzi eveni.
Our entire ministry has been looking forward to this day, as has been the whole of government. Indeed, the news of the upcoming signing of this memorandum of understanding and the launch of this training was met with huge excitement when I presented it to Cabinet last week, Tuesday. Like all of us gathered here, Cabinet understands that this partnership heralds a new prosperous era for our young people who are seeking a future in business.
Lokhulumele ke elobuhlobo bebusayinwa ngusihlalo ke we-YERF bekizizwe maziya yena ke ubonge inyuvesi yasekwaluseni nahulumende welive kuthi ke bakhathalele bamfula basha.
It is our belief as well as the Youth Fund that education without application to real life situation is not worthwhile. That is why we find it commendable for the University of Eswatini to see the need to collaborate with us in ensuring that the good dreams of the aspiring entrepreneurs who have not been successful in acquiring loans from the fund do not go into the drain.
Lobekamelele bafunzi ngubanele mahlalela naye ubongeke baka Youth Enterprise Fund.
I've seen that a lot of young people, they don't have the information on how to apply and then how to make their business plans viable. You know what I'm going to.
Lesivumelwano sale nyuvesi yaseswatini ne-Youth Enterprise Fund sibeseke siyasayinwa lapho bonke labathintekako basayinile. Ngingunohlahlathwala etindzabeni eMaswati Channel ngisenyuvesi yasekwaluseni kuMathapha.